I'm Andrew Campbell, the president of Eastern Millwork, a Jersey City-based architectural woodwork manufacturer. And I'm here today to talk to you a little bit about the apprentice program we put together with Hudson County Community College. Eastern Millwork was founded in 1992. We manufacture custom architectural woodwork for large construction projects. We specialize in sort of very complex geometry that kind of exists in performing arts centers, theaters, lobbies of buildings. We also do a lot of office space fit out. We do hospitals, fabricate all the components for hospital interiors. We're based in Jersey City. It's our main manufacturing facility. We have a small engineering office in Germany, but most of our operations happen in Jersey City. We use a lot of technology in manufacturing our craft. I like to say my craftspeople hold the mouse. The craft still exists, even though we're using technology to deliver our product. I started out in 1992 with the idea of trying to automate something that is very custom, one-off, and using machinery more kind of conceived to deliver high batch size, repetitious type manufacturing. To kind of execute that, we developed our own software that drives all of our production. The employees we need to do that have to understand the craft and understand the technology that we use to deliver the craft. Our center of gravity for our industry is in Central Europe. In Central Europe, Germany, Austria, Switzerland, the educational system is a little different than here in the U.S. It's based on a model of apprenticeship where industry works with education and the employees are immersed in a company where their education is sort of tailored to the job that they're looking to obtain. We say apprenticeship, but this is what you won't say a gray-collar apprenticeship. The workforce that we need that will execute this engineering, they're engineers. And our objective was to try to duplicate what we found in Europe here in America. We had a couple of hurdles that necessitated that. Obviously, the complexity of what we do, the specialty of it, also the workforce that we've been told we have to somehow adapt to. A workforce that is looking to change jobs every 3 to 5 years. That is impossible because you won't gain mastery of what we do in that short period of time. We answer the most complicated questions in construction in a very narrow bandwidth, right? So we only help them in one segment of the process, but we have to be able to figure that out. What we've done here with Hudson County Community College is to take education, have it be relevant to our work. We hire young people right out of high school. They go to high-tech high school, to a wood lab we built with them there, and they learn basic woodworking. Techniques that we don't even employ in our facility, kind of hand woodworking, but it gives them the tactile of the material. It kind of gives them an understanding of the craft at a very, basic level. They start their education with us. They spend a day in our office learning. They'll study wood under a microscope, understand the material, its strengths, its uses, and that goes all the way up through advanced programming through our program. They also will go to Hudson County Community College one day a week, and in 3 years have an associate's degree in manufacturing, a program that Hudson County wrote specifically for us. And then after that, they will be able to go on to get a bachelor's degree through Thomas Edison College, where that pathway is smooth and seamless. There's no redundancy of classes, and what they've learned at Hudson County is directly built on for their bachelor's degree. When we hire the employees as well, again, we're trying to change the relationship between us and the employees. The program we have here is not a philanthropic endeavor. It's a commercial operation where we're looking for an ROI. We do this to create the pipeline of talent that we need. The program is a federally registered apprenticeship program. The education itself, the costs for it are 100% paid by the company. They are also getting paid both wage and benefits, full medical, sick and vacation time throughout the course of the whole program. During that program as well, their compensation increases as their skill level increases. We had been working on trying to create this program for quite a while before we connected with Hudson County Community College. When we connected with Hudson County Community College, they were able to put together this program and have it meet the needs of our company. It's a very innovative group of people that are interested and really rethinking how education is delivered.